Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to install ROBLOX Studio on Windows 10 or 11 or any system above Windows 8.1. Alright, so first you're going to open your browser, go to roblox.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you. So make sure that you're logged in. You're going to need to be logged in for this. So go to roblox.com, hover over create, now click on it. Once you're in here, it may say that, oh, you already have it installed, because I already have it installed on several other of my devices. So you're going to need to go to create experience here. It's going to say checking for ROBLOX Studio. And since I don't have Studio, I'm going to press here and download Studio. This will take me to a download link. And it may or may not give you a warning. I will tell you right now that ROBLOX Studio Installer.exe is not a virus and it will absolutely not harm your device. So don't be afraid of that. Now press keep. Wait for it to finish installing. Now once you're done with that, open the file and it will open up the installer for ROBLOX Studio. Okay, so now we have officially downloaded ROBLOX Studio. Thank you for watching. I will be now making a video after this about using ROBLOX Studio and learning the basics of moving around in ROBLOX Studio. May or may not need to update